Hi angels, welcome back to another resin video. We're going to be making a rhinestone breastplate. I don't know what's going on with the footage right here. It's kind of like glitchy. Who knows, but you guys can still see what I'm doing. This is the second breastplate that I'm making. I make one for Beyonce and then I just made this one at random. It didn't turn out how I wanted it, so I just added on some rhinestone sheets. But the plastic mannequin I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link for it down in the description box down below. You're just going to be using your scissors to cut this, and I use some spray paint to spray it. And the rhinestone sticker sheet, I got that from Amazon as well. They're pink. I'll leave the link for both of them down in the description box down below because I use a bright pink and a lighter pink. So what I'm doing now is cutting off the arms, the bottom part of it, and the neck. I wanted to keep a little bit of the neck because I thought it would be cute. So off camera, I'm just putting it on my body to see how it looks, how I want to cut it. And then I wanted to add a little bit of some dimension to it, so I did cut it a little bit higher up on one side and let the other side just be how it was. You can shave down the size of it to make sure that it's not irritating your skin, that it's not on your skin or anything like that. But it feels fine on my skin, so I don't need to do anything with it. So after I cut it, I did spray paint it silver. And now we're going to start placing on there the rhinestone sheets. These are stickers. Not stickers, but they have stickers. But they stick onto stuff once you remove the back. So that's what I'm doing right there. Just peel off the back and then just place it on there and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. We're going to be redoing the same step over and over until we cover up this chest plate completely. And that's basically it. Make sure that you put them very close together so you can see underneath the chest plate. So it's only like rhinestone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Before, but no, it's not. By the way, even though you stick it on there, you can still be able to lift it up, remove it if you didn't place it on there correctly. So that's a plus, I guess. I should have started at the bottom and then like worked my way all the way up instead of started at the breast. But you live and you learn. Well, not really learn because I did the same thing last time. Shame on me. So this big rhinestone sheet we're going to use, I think I used 2.5 if I'm not wrong. So I'm just cutting it up first, a little bit at a time. It doesn't have to be the exact same size, but just the way how I am. Using my scissors to cut, peel off the back, and then just stick it on there. And it just sticks on there, and that's it. To make sure that this stick on there and that it doesn't lift up or anything like that, you can just simply use some E6000 glue, or you can just leave it just the way how it is. It lifts up a little bit, but not a lot to be concerned over. Stick it on there very closely together so it looks like if it's one. The reason why I'm cutting it up instead of just putting it on there is because it could just lift up and then remove it. So when you cut it down piece by piece, only one piece could lift up and fall off instead of just everything falling off. So that's why I'm just cutting it up piece by piece. Look at my tools. This took a few hours to do, but this is definitely a project that you can do all in just one day. That's how easy it is, honestly. And now I'm getting into a rhythm of this, so it's going by a little bit faster. Now I'm just cutting off the side with extra rhinestone. I'm not throwing anything away, I'm just putting it in the corner. I'm pretty sure I didn't show this part, but anywhere where I can just add on a little piece, that's where I stick on the parts that I cut off. This kind of looked dark. I needed some light. We're cutting off the extra piece of rhinestone, making sure that the sides of it is looking pretty good. And it does. So we kind of finished at the bottom right there, and we're just going to keep working our way all the way up. Just using my scissors to fix up the edge, because sometimes it's obviously thicker at the back, so it sticks on everything. So I didn't want any hair, any glitter, or anything to be on there. So if there's anything that needs to be removed, I just cut it off with my scissors, and that's pretty much it. See, we finished the bottom. That's how that looks. I'm pressing down on the center to make sure it looks good. I'm trying to see how the top part is going to be looking as well. Still need to finish up the breast part on both sides before I can keep working my way up until the neck. So now right here, since I just want to do this in like one simple step, I'm just going to be cutting off some of the rhinestone sheets, so it'd be easy for me to just place it on there instead of just putting on there one strip and then have to wait and then cut another strip. So it's just easy to just cut everything up and then just keep working so I can still be in the motion. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. You see, looking good so far. Just don't look too close and personal with it, because you can definitely see the silver underneath it, even though I cover it all the way up. But that should be fine. This is the best way I recommend doing the top part right here. Start from the top and then work your way all the way down, because it turned out way better instead of starting from the bottom part and then working your way up to the top. Look at how nice and smooth all of that looks already. It looks like two different pink because we did use two different pinks. And you guys get the idea. We don't need to keep saying this over and over. So let's just go to the part where we need to attach the Velcro to the back of it, to see how I can just get in and out of it very easily. Quick and easy. It's totally fine if the rhinestone are overlapping on each other. Just press down on it so that it can lay down flat and so that it doesn't lift up on its own. By the way, since these are little rhinestone stickers, if you do, obviously I spray painted this because I had another idea that I wanted to do, but clearly that didn't work out that well since I'm trying to cover it up with some rhinestone sheets. But you have to make sure that it sticks on there properly. So now with my scissors, I'm punching some holes at the corners so I could add my Velcro into the sides so I can be able to get in and out of it. That was quick and easy, but you guys are going to see how it looks. Since this is plastic, the scissors just work its way through it. Obviously, you guys saw how I cut it before. So just cut the sides and the neck part of it, and then just add the Velcro into the sides, and this is how the back look. Obviously, I could have went with a different color, but black was what I had on deck, so yeah. Oh, my armpits. But yeah, this is how it turned out. It turned out so cute. It's giving me Barbie vibes. I still need to watch the Barbie movie. Maybe I should wear this when I'm going to see the Barbie. Maybe this is too inappropriate. Is it? No, it's fine. I can wear a jacket over it with a nice tulip skirt. It looks so cute. Pink, of course. like an all pink look with this. It looks so gorgeous. Yeah. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. That's it. Toodaloo. Bye-bye. Usually I do DIYs or I make resin stuff. But maybe I should be doing more DIYs because this is so fun. This doesn't feel any way on your body. It doesn't even feel like plastic. It doesn't feel heavy. It's just there. You don't really feel it. It's hard to describe it, but it doesn't irritate. You don't need to worry about if you're going out or if it's going to stick on you or not. Even though I'm sweating ridiculously in here. Alright, bye.